Hey friends, let's get cooking some curry goat with the skin. First, I wash my meat thoroughly with some vinegar and lemon juice. After washing, I prepare my seasoning. I had garlic, bell peppers, both green and red for flavor. I chop my bell peppers. The onion and the garlic. Now it's time to add the seasoning to the meat. Add some green scallions, some cilantro, chop those as well and add them. My green thyme, I also added a leaf of lemon thyme. Add all that to the mix. All this variety of herbs, guys, add a punch of flavor. Then I add some pimento grains. Now I'm going to move on to my powdered seasoning. I had a teaspoon, roughly, of onion powder. Then some Goya mixed meat seasoning. Then I added some garlic powder, a teaspoon as well. Next, I add my Maggi chicken seasoning. Next, I add my adobo. Then I add my Walker's with jerk seasoning. I add a tablespoon. Then I add a drizzle of olive oil. Then I give it a mix. Mix it in thoroughly, guys. Then I cover and let it sit and marinate for roughly 4 hours. Now it's time to start cooking. I let my oil well hot, guys, and I pour my seasoned meat into the pot. Meanwhile, I move on to my curry. I put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the pot, and then I burn my curry. So I use a tablespoon of curry to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. After it's burned, I pour it over the meat. I did not want to add the curry on the meat when I was seasoning it, guys, because I cook it with the skin. So I wanted to take all the seasoning and the flavor and the aromatics, and then so I could burn my curry separately. It didn't make a difference. Whatever floats your boat, that's fine. Then I cook some yellow yam and some dasheen. Haven't had that like in a while, guys, but I was craving that, and so I give myself a treat. Then I move on to my mixed vegetables. I cut up carrots, zucchini, and cabbage. Now I move on to steaming that, guys. I steam that. I put some paprika, olive oil, and season it very lightly because, of course, the goat meat is very rich and, you know, full of seasoning. I give it a stir, and then there you have it, guys. The yellow yam is so dry, waxy. The sauce on the goat meat was just so good. The skin was cooked to tender. Let's take a look, guys. I added my Irish while it's cooking. So it was almost cooked right there. So I add my Irish. This is the Irish potatoes. Added a scotch bonnet pepper. And let it simmer. Okay, guys, it's finished cooking. Now it's time to plate. So I dish me a little bit over there. I could not wait to eat the yellow yam in that nice gravy, that sauce. You have come to the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, I'll see you in my upcoming videos.